Josh. You excited? Hey, Coupon.
Sure. You excited? You happy, boy?
I don't know, those guys just went through it.
They didn't go through that side?
Well, the water was moving. I guess they might have gone through here, but not gonna get stuck. Pull you back out. If you start sinking, stop. Bags the dog crap but doesn't seal it. Just runs it open. Josh, you gonna put a knot in that dog bag?
I'm not sure. Oh, it's good enough.
Dead on balls.
It's an industry term.
Went ahead and turned this around here, man. Ain't no sense in not facing the dang old view. Nothing. Look at this thing. So what are some of the features of the Wilderness?
Well, there's loads of features. Really good acoustics.
Got some people doing some shooting today. Munch it. Josh, can we do it?
Oh no. I didn't know you had to do it this way.
Oh my god, dude, we're so hacked.
I think I might disconnect the electrical wires though.
The power. And when you unscrew this, are we going to be able to get it into the SWR meter?
No. I did put some slack, but not that much slack. Nice. Okay.
There's no way this is going to work.
Sure. It didn't fit.
Yeah, it does. It's in line now. That goes into the antenna side. All right, I'm going to go have a pee. Have some pee while you take care of that. Apparently I had the white. Hey Josh, you got enough light over there? Go to 1. All right, so while holding the keyed mic, move the dial to the set position. Then you switch it to ref. Oh man, 3.5. It's not good.
It's not good?
It's not good.
Doctor, tell me what to do.
Switch to channel 40, that's what you do. So we switch it back 3. Oh, that's interesting. Normally when the higher one is higher, you need to shorten it. And if if channel 1 is a higher SWR, you raise it. But both of these SWR readings are crap. So we're just going to go mess around with it, see where it's at. Maybe take your stupid hand off there. All right, so we're morons. I'm pretty sure this steel bar, 1 inch from the antenna tip, that also is 3 feet taller than it, is throwing us off. So we'll be checking that again in the morning. What are you doing, dicing onions?
Oh, yeah. I just didn't know.
Yeah, that's the real deal. So you just cut them like that? Okay, cool.
Get them together. Throw them in there.
And what is this, a pot? Okay. It's a separator.
Looks like it's a summit something.
Yeah, it's from the sea to the summit, so kind of a anything in between type deal. These are unwashed potatoes.
No, actually, we're fine. Don't you worry about it. It's called slop for a reason, man.
Yeah, this is a slop party here.
I don't know, man. That's crazy. As I said, yeah, I don't think it'll happen again.
There's just like a handful of 22s in this thing. That was wood. That's pepper.
First one was gnarly.
Has
Second
to be
one
rounds,
wasn't
right?
as bad.
Is that salt?
That was salt before. This is pepper.
You don't think it's too much, do you?
No, what is so much food?
Really?
What do you think?
You got peppers, jalapenos. What is this?
This is leftover from green peppers.
Thing looks like a Granny Smith apple core.
I'm about ready to throw things in.
You want the light over here?
That's perfect.
Still Are they done? No, there's pouring lights yet. Oh, shoot on it.
Well, and it doesn't help, but important. A little banquet in there.
More? No, it's great. With the potatoes, what's the deal? You didn't seem very satisfied. It's a beer on it.
Well, that way you can still, lose the juices.
That's a myth, man.
Nope.
Nah, yeah, that was I read that somewhere. That's a myth. You didn't hear that?
I heard it from you. Didn't like it.
What'd they say?
Me? I said no, man.
Me?
I said no.
Freaking doing dishes out here. That's pretty good. This is a rag I crocheted up. No big deal. No big hands. How is that, Josh?
It is so freaking good.
Slopped up. Shee! Okay, got it stowed. Got the mini hand back on. Let's try it again. Power on. Channel 1. Forward. Move to set.
I'm still holding it.
All right. 2.6. Okay, let go. Channel 40. Forward. Set. 3.5. Higher numbers, higher. We got to shorten it.
The whole thing?
Yeah, just chop it. Chop a foot off. See where we're at. All right, that's pretty low, but we'll do what we can. Give this a loosen, give that a tighten. Ugh. Cap, hand, wipe it.
Keep going to bed. Such a good buy.
Channel 1, key it forward, set, ref, nice, 2.5, let go, 40, forward, hold it, set, down, 3.5.
Should I take the hand off?
Okay, short as possible, no hand. Forward, hold it. Okay, okay. 3. All right, so that's 2.5. Let's go to channel 40. Hold it, set, 3.5. What's with that? You lowered it too?
All the way. Put the hand back on it.